Myself, JV and Dr. Arun Kumar Singh, Faculty of Education and Methodology, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. I welcome to all of you in my digital class BSc B.Ed JDVC 6th semester. We will discuss the topic prawn fisheries. Few definitions regarding to the topic prawn fisheries. Crustaceans, large group of aquatic arthropods. Brackish water, more salt than fresh, but not as much as in seawater. Fresh water, naturally occurring water, except marine and brackish water. Brackish backwater parts of river not reached by the current, where the river is stagnant. Okay. Introduction of prawn fisheries. Few of the aquatic crustaceans are also included among the fisheries of economic importance. Prawn is the crustaceans considered as fish, commercially known as shrimp, while commonly known as chaman, setli, colambi, etc. Varieties inhabiting sea freshwaters, lake, rivers, and India production is second to that of USA. Okay. Scientific classifications of prawn kingdom: Animalia, phylum Arthropoda, subphylum Crustacea, class Malacostracea, order Decapoda, family Pinnelidae. Types of habitats: shrimp live in rivers, oceans and lakes. Bottom dwellers, which means they are found in muddy or sandy rivers, bed and ocean floors. Food: omnivorous in nature and need a plentiful supply of food. Eat algae and other plants particles plus tiny animals, fish and planktons. Okay. Predators, for example, the pistol shrimps. Important species and groups: Pinnaeus indicus, Indian prawns, Pinnaeus monodon, Ghent tiger prawns, Pinnaeus marginesis, banana prawns, okay, etc. Structure of some Pinnaeus species. Description of most important species: Pinnaeus indicus, most common in India, and it grow up to 20 centimeter in length. Monocerosus and M. ephenesis are most suitable species to be cultured in India, Pakistan, Indonesia, and other adjacent countries. Pinnaeus monodon is largest prawns that is grow up to 30 centimeter in length and weight up to 150 grams. Okay. Thank you.